At some point, you may need to factory reset a manual call point. So what you need to do first would be the following. Make sure all the alarms are off the bases. Get the spare key, push it up towards the top. The flag will then drop. Remove the bracket, undo the 2 screws, switch the battery to the off position for 5 seconds. Switch the battery back on. Press and hold the house code button till the red light comes on. When it starts to flash, remove the house code. The call point is now back into factory reset.